Alright guys, so we just got back from lunch, so we are here at Discount Tire right now. You play, nope, it's not over there, so let's go over this way. So we just got to Discount Tire, and as you guys know, this is probably one of the most difficult properties I actually maintain because of the hillsides that are actually on here. So what I'm actually going to do is have Jacob do this top section right here with the Walker Northwest Edition, and then the steep hillsides I'm going to do just because he's only been using the Walker for about a week, so he doesn't have too much time under him and with the mower, and so this is kind of a very difficult property to do. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and get the Northwest out. I'll show you guys how well it does, because a lot of you guys know how well it did in a previous video if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we just finished all the main mowing with the Northwest Edition. So far this mower has been really great. I know a lot of guys, especially in the video I posted of this versus a hillside, a lot of guys didn't really understand because I didn't give enough backstory about the hillside. So we're actually going to be taking the Y Bravo. Let me focus on that. There it is. So I'm going to be taking the Y Bravo actually back there and doing a little bit of push mowing. And I'm currently working right now on the first impressions for this video, so that hopefully will be out within the next week or two, I'm hoping. Shouldn't take too long, but so far it's been doing really good. So I'm going to go mow the back section, and I'm going to explain what I meant in the hillside versus the Walker video. There we go. Just because a lot of people didn't really understand it because they didn't have the backstory. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the back yard now. Guys, so that is it for today. So as you guys can see, the 𝐕 has been doing pretty good. There's things I do like about it and things I do not like about it. The one thing I do not like about it is the two-speed transmission. I was hoping that it would be more like a Honda, where it has a variable transmission where you can have a lot more settings. But basically the low setting is actually not too bad. It's pretty good, but I like having that option of being able to go a little bit faster with just a click of a switch right there to your left, rather than all the way down on the mower deck. But other than that, be on the lookout for our first impressions video, where I'll actually talk about what I like and don't like about it so far in the short amount of time that I've been using it, and then of course we will launch the full review. Other than that, as you guys can tell, I was also I'm also testing out the Husqvarna backpack blower. I should probably have that up before this video, if not the other way around, so just be on the lookout for that. I'll leave it up in the corner. I think it's this corner right here. But that's really just it. As you guys can see, I definitely have some irrigation checkup to do, and then we also have definitely some spraying to do. We've been tackling it, but of course we have to do it when weather is really good. If it's really windy, then we can't do it. If it's raining, then we can't do it. So we definitely have that in the schedule. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we're hopefully gonna try to keep getting more and more footage out to you guys. I have a lot of footage, a lot of videos stacking up, just trying to find the time to be able to get it all to you guys. That's really where it comes down to. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time on Ambro's Landscaping.